Hello everybody, we are Group 2 from HM3. My name is Beh Xin Yi.
My name is Adam.
And my name is Cheong Xin Yee.
Today we're going to talk about computer network.
So this is the table of contents.
What is computer network? A computer network is a group of interconnected devices. These connections can be wired or wireless. We will be talking more about this later on. The main function of a network is to enable devices to share resources and services. Now let's zoom in into the purpose of computer network. So like I said just now, a core purpose of any network is to give devices and users access to shared resources. For example, a school computer lab sharing a common printer. Facilitating communication. Computer network make it possible to send emails, hold video conferences, or exchange instant messages. Finally, networks are also built to centralize the way data is stored and managed. A server can be connected to the network and hold all the data in one secure place. Now let's move on to the types of computer networks. Personal Area Network, PAN, covers a few meters. An example would be Bluetooth. Local Area Network, LAN, covers a building or small area. An example is a computer lab in a university where all PCs are connected to a central server. Metropolitan Area Network, MAN, covers a city, towns, or a large campus. An example is a city providing free public Wi-Fi. Lastly, Wide Area Network, WAN, covers a country, continents, or even the whole globe. An example is the internet.
So now I'll be talking about the types of connections. There are two types, which is wired and wireless. A wired connection uses physical cables to link devices. For example, Ethernet cables and fiber optics. Wired connections are usually more stable and faster, but the downside is you're tied down by cables. On the other hand, a wireless connection uses radio waves or electromagnetic signals. Examples include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wireless is more convenient and flexible, but it can sometimes be less secure or reliable compared to wired. Now let's look at some common networking devices. Firstly, we have router. This device connects different networks and directs traffic between them. Next, we have modem. A modem connects our home or office network to the internet service provider. Moving on, we have network cables. These are the physical wires that transmit data between devices. Now, let's move on to the client-server model. The client is any device or application that requests a service. For example, when we use Outlook to check emails, Outlook is the client. The server, on the other hand, is a powerful system, either hardware or software, that listens to client requests and provides the required service. For example, an email server stores and delivers all the emails we send or receive. Now let's compare the internet and the intranet. The internet is a global network that connects millions of computers worldwide, making information accessible to everyone. It is public, open, and massive. The intranet, however, is a private network, usually within an organization. Only authorized users, like employees, can access it. Hence, it's more secure.
Now let's take a look for the advantage of computer network. First, for cost efficiency, computer network allow resource sharing, which reduce the need to buy duplicate equipment. Instead of having one printer for every computer, all users can share a single printer. Next, flexibility and remote access. A network allows users to access data and application remotely. That means people can work or study from anywhere as long as they have any internet connection. For disadvantages of computer network, first, dependency on the network. Many tasks today rely on the network. If the network goes down, communication stops and most work is disrupted, which reduces productivity. For privacy risk, sensitive information shared over a network can be intercepted or accessed by an unauthorized user. Next, for network security, first we have availability, means ensuring that data and service are always accessible to authorized user without interruption. This is especially important for business and organization that rely on continuous access to critical systems. Next, for authentication, is the process of verifying the identity of a user or device before granting access to network or its resources. Lastly, we have network topology. For bus, all devices are connected to a single central cable, which serve as the main communication channel. Ring, each device is connected to two others, forming a closed loop in which data travel in one direction or both. For star, all devices are individually connected to a central hub, switch, or router which manage communication between them. Mesh, devices are interconnected either fully or partially, allowing multiple data paths that ensure high reliability and fault tolerance. Lastly, for hybrid, combines two or more different topologies, such as star or ring, to take advantage of their strength while minimizing their weakness. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Bye-bye.